If you are a summit host, you are going to love this Canva hack that's going to save you on time and reduce errors. So today we're creating promo graphics for your speakers, but instead of creating them individually one by one for each speaker, which can be a lot. If you have 20 or 30 speakers, that's a lot of work. We're going to create all the graphics for all the speakers all in one shot. We're using Canva. This is a part of my mini e-course called Summit Promo Center. It's available on my website at magneticbrandonline.com. But today I'm showing you how to do it in Canva. My e-course does offer 20 fully customizable graphic template for the promo graphics for your speakers. So that's what I'm using, one of my graphics. This one my client chose to use in the e-course. You have 20 of those and you can fully customize them with your brand colors, summit colors, whatever you want to add. So basically we're going to start with just one. As you notice, I only have one graphic in here, and I'm going to have Canva create a copy of this for each of the speakers. But first we need to get the speaker names and titles, which are going to go right here. Most people create this manually by just copying and pasting or typing in the name. We're going to pull the names and titles from a spreadsheet that we download from the intake form. Intake form is what speakers fill out to provide us with their name information, bio, and things like that. Some clients use Jot form to collect the information from each speaker. I use my system, which is Magnetic Funnels, which is an all-in-one system, and most of my clients use it. If they work with me, you can use any other form that your speakers are filling out, as long as you can download it to a spreadsheet, it will work. So for example, if you have a Jot form, this would be your intake form. You would click on all the fields, click on download, and make sure you download as a CSV file. I already have the file downloaded, so let me show you what that looks like. Here is the file. As you can see, we have 19 speakers. We have their name and we have their title. You can name this whatever you want, but I'm just going to make it simple. So I have it downloaded already. So the step 2 would be to go to Canva. Open the template that you want to use. As you can see, I already have the summit host, which doesn't change on all the graphics, but the speaker name will change in the title. For each one, you're going to go to apps on the left side, and you're going to type in bulk create, and you're going to click on the bulk create app, and you can enter it manually, which doesn't make sense here. You want to upload your data, and we're going to use the spreadsheet that we just created by downloading the intake form. It's going to ask you if you want to use all the entries, and I say yes. You click on generate. And now you can see the magic happen where Canva fills in all the names and titles and creates a copy of the original template for all the speakers. Now, it wasn't that fast, right? Just a couple clicks, and all of a sudden we have all those speaker graphics created. Of course, it didn't fill in their picture, which is no big deal because I can upload them in bulk and then just drop them in here. But at least I don't have to type all their names. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is make sure that all the names fill in correctly. Sometimes the names are too long and they'll simply spill over. So just like this one, the name went to 2 lines. So I'm just going to lower their title here in case it's spilled into another row, but everything else, oh, one more, right? The double name. So I'm just going to have to change that a little bit. Everything else looks pretty good because I had enough space. So we're good to go. That's how simple it was. Next thing you would just drop in their photos in here and export, and you have your promo graphics for your summit speakers all done in one shot. I hope you found this helpful. If you want to check out my e-course that has all the templates, go to magneticbrandonline.com. Under e-courses, you'll find my course. It not only has the customizable graphic templates, it has tutorials and prompts to create your promo email copy. and how to create the promo center and the tracking links, and it explains how to have a really elevated experience for your speakers where they get to have everything in one spot, easy to promote for them, and it makes you and your summit and your brand look good because it's all organized and very well presented. And as you saw behind the scenes, it doesn't take you that much time to have everything created. Thanks for watching.